and you see that count there, meaning it's recording. When you
Hi, welcome back to K-Film, my photography and video channel. My name is Ims. My name is Ims, and you already know. Today, I want to share some illuminating insights into the world of photography. I mean, how to master the art of using flashlight into your photographs, especially if you're doing studio photography. And that's what we want to talk about today. This one though is very scary, and in a minute you'll know why. I was a bit hesitant for me to start venturing into it as well.
You can see both of us now, ne? So when it gets to 15, 20, you stop it, ne? Okay. Let's give it a try. Yes, sorry. Don't know why I forgot.
So the first tip is don't be afraid to bounce that flash. Bounce it off the ceiling, bounce it off a nearby wall to diffuse that light. See, what happens is when you start using flash without diffusion, when it hits your subjects, it often creates those hot spots, and this is the first mistake, and this is what encourages most people to stop using external flash or artificial light in their photographs in the first place. So the tip here is diffuse your light. Don't be afraid to diffuse your light. If you don't have a diffuser, so then just bounce it off a ceiling or bounce it off a white wall or something, and then when it gets back to your subject, it creates this soft light that is able then to be soft enough and visually appealing to allow you to capture a very nice looking image.
Just there, perfect there. No, don't move. Yeah. Okay. Just like that. Let's walk. 1, 2, 3. Another one.
And this is if you are using speedlights, be it on your camera or off your camera. Now, my second tip is considering to use diffusion if you are not using speedlights, or if you are. So there is setups where you can put your speedlights into a soft box or an umbrella to diffuse that light when it's fired off through a remote trigger. So consider using diffusions and different. There's a lot of different forms of light diffusers that you can try out, and be it soft boxes, umbrellas, octo boxes, and all those other things if your budget allows. And when you try with all these different types of diffusion, you will come to one that fits your style of shooting, one that you love, the one that you prefer, and that will elevate your photography to the next level. And sometimes, based off the service you want to provide as a photographer, you have no choice but to learn how to use artificial light in your photography, because when you're doing events and some other shoots, you are required to produce the best looking stunning images for that event, wherever that it's. And in most cases, these places have the worst light possible.
The way your dress accentuates, I can't see it because it's dark. You know what I'm thinking? Let's move over to the white backdrop. Okay. Yes.
This is when you come in with your light, modify it, and have it help you then capture the images that your client is expecting you to produce. So it's not easy, but it has everything to do with how you exert yourself and how much effort you put into it and how much you try to come to what elevates your photography. The third point is using off-camera flash. Although I already touched on it in the previous point, using off-camera flash is really benefiting. It's really giving for a photographer who knows what they're doing, because the light is not on your camera, it's off your camera. You are able to position it on the side or even backlight your subject, thereby creating this dramatic, good-looking image with this ethereal look. Then you can have so many shooting style because you were able to shoot with your light of your camera. So practice this, I use Godox flashes, and they have wireless triggers, and if you invest into that, it's able to help you practice on your off-camera photography, off-camera flash photography.
I think work with models is my new best thing right now. Do you know why?
Why?
I don't have to tell you how to pose. Yes, because you guys just know how to do it. Okay, which side is this side, No, is it?
Wait,
no, this side.
This
side,
side.
yes. So this is the key light. This one has to come this side. Yes. Yes, you come out a bit. Okay.
My last tip in this video is that you shouldn't forget to play with your lights and shadows as well when you are creating images. So sometimes we use this light, this artificial light in our photographs to light a specific area on our image, be it only the face or however it is we are framing it. Sometimes we use it to create silhouettes, silhouettic images, and I'm sure you've seen a lot of those ones on social media, Instagram to be specific. So experiment with your light, and it will be scary in the beginning, of course, but when you get the hang of it, when you get the concept of what shooting with flash is all about, you'll become so confident with your photographer. You'll be in your element, and clients might even book you just for that, because you have now become experienced in doing photographs in studio or on location. And this is some of the things that some photographers are not too good at.
No, feel free to change, ne? Don't worry, feel free to change. 3, 2, 1. No, it's not. Let me change something. It's too much changing that. Let's move a bit this side. Yes, there. Okay, perfect. 3, 2, 1. Now apparently the light is less now. We need more light. Okay, let's go again. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Okay, yes. 3, 2, 1. 1 more. Okay, let me get a bit closer. Okay, look into the camera. Just keep that pose, ne? Keep that pose. This arm a bit open. Yeah, okay, yes. Perfect. Just like that. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yes.
I'm so hard to work with.
No, but you know how to put them. Just keep going, because I don't want to disrupt you now. So this is perfect. This is very nice. But previously, you know, this light, this is perfect because you opened your arm. Here, it's because it was in direct proportion to this light, so it created a shadow.
Okay,
So
but
we need
I
to-
want that one.
This one?
Yeah, I want that one.
Oh, really? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I'll edit it for you.
Cool, thank
Yes.
you. Really appreciate this.
Ne?
Uh,
Oh yeah, it shows how serious you are in this pose. Let's go. Let's do a few more. Okay, perfect. Keep that pose, keep that pose. Keep that pose. Let's do something with it. 3, 2, 1. I don't know why, but I like it. It's very nice.
okay.
The jawline, everything is on point. Okay, let's do one more. Just like that. 3, 2. Keep that pose, keep it. 3, 2. I think we got it. This is nice. That is really nice.
Oh, I'm really enjoying this.
You like it, ne?
I love it.
This is very nice.
But if you get comfortable and know how to use your equipment, meaning lights, strobes or speed lights well, then you become an expert in this field. And this will, from the look of your work, you might attract new clients. So don't be afraid. Like I said, it might be scary at first in the beginning, but keep practicing, keep at it. You'll become a good photographer using external flash or artificial flash. Please show your support by liking this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I catch you in the next one.